Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Don't waste another.
So it's International Bacon Day. So I'm going to surprise Tom with some bacon. Shh, don't tell him. Okay, the bacon is cooked, but he also gets oatmeal. Shh, don't tell him.
I mean, I just swept it before I started filming. This is coming off
Bear's
the shoes.
breakfast.
These Keens have...
Come on, get down here. Ready to eat your breakfast? Yummy, yummy. Guess what it is?
I have a surprise.
Oh my God!
Happy Bacon Day!
It's National Bacon Day. Here, I thought I was just going to get to look at pretty pictures of bacon all day. Oh my God!
There
Do I
you
have
go.
to eat this slop?
Yes,
Really?
yes.
I can't just eat the bacon.
No, you have to eat both.
1 spoonful of this, 2 bites of bacon.
There you go.
1 spoonful of this, 2 bites of bacon.
There you go.
Yeah, baby!
Guess where we are today? It's laundry day. So we went to a laundromat that we went to last year when we were here in Yuma. And we get there, we lug in like 4 bags of laundry, and it is jam-packed full. There was
With people.
with people.
And laundry.
Machines are all taken except for like one of the big ones that would have only taken like 2 loads.
You wouldn't believe the people in there that were airing their dirty laundry.
A lot of them. So we lugged everything back to the truck, got on the phone to look for another one, and we found one that was only 1.5 miles away. And
There's hardly anybody in here but us.
and it's nice.
A couple other people, and that's it.
And you know what? I think it's actually less expensive than the one we were at. I have a little notebook, surprise, that I keep tabs of all the loads that I do and how much it was at each laundromat. And it was $2.25 when we were there last year, and this one is $2 a load. So
Drying?
and drying is a quarter for 6 minutes. So
Plus their Wi-Fi download is 228 speed download. I don't need upload. I'm not uploading anything along here. 228!
So right as we walk in the door, all these machines right here were available. And we needed them. We have not done laundry in a while, and since we are headed to the queue where 1 million people are going to be, we wanted to get all of our laundry done ahead of time. Ah, laundry done! Yay! It's all done. Thank you for your help.
Hey, no problem. I'll send you a bill.
Okay, I'll send you a bill. So now we are on a quest for some wine to take with us since, like I said before,
Uh-oh, I didn't even see that.
we're going to
I did see him, but I didn't.
crowded little parking lot.
Yeah. I looked out.
So we're on a quest to go find some wine to take with us so we don't have to pay the terrible prices in Quartzsite. So we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna go grab some lunch. And then go home and finish getting laundry put away and all the other things that we need to do today. It's a lovely day. Wish we were just sitting outside.
I know, it's 70, it's sunny, it's nice. And you've got me working.
I know, about damn time.
Hey Bear, is it windy enough for you? Wind's only blowing about 40-45 miles an hour. Too bad you can't see the wind. You can hear it. You can hear it!
Today is New Year's Eve, and it is hecka windy. It's awful out there. It is shaking the trailer so bad. And we're worried about the solar panels and vents. Hopefully everything will be okay.
Time to change the oil on the generator. Got about 50 some hours on it. I like to change it like every 50 hours, so it's time. We're gonna dump our oil. Go to the dollar store and buy these cheap little pans. Hey Lori, what'd you pay for this at the dollar store? So we got 3 of these for $1, and the oil from the generator goes right in there. Put the top on it, seal it down, and you're good to go. I need some gloves. There they are. I knew I got them out a while ago. Take the keys with me. Hi Bear, you gonna help me change the oil? Huh? All right, we got the oil drained from the Jenny. Ew, putting the lid on.
Yeah, see, 3 in a pack.
And you got those 3 for $1, right?
Yes, sir. At the real dollar store, Dollar Tree.
Well, they're all dollar stores, right?
No, they are not.
How many different kinds are there?
1.
There's 1.
Yes.
I see
Dollar Tree.
I see all kinds. I see Family Dollar.
It's not a dollar store.
Oh, what's the other one?
Dollar General.
Dollar
It's not
General.
It's not a dollar store either.
Oh, it's not?
No.
Okay. What are they?
They're just freaking stores.
So which one's the real dollar store?
Dollar Tree. Where things are just $1.
Gotcha.
Or less.
Gotcha.
You go into those other stores, not everything is $1 or less.
Gotcha.
Hello,
Huh?
Hummingbird.
All right.
Don't get me started.
Now for the test. We got it put back together. Let's just see if it starts. I love it when a plan comes together.
So there's our site over there. We are leaving to go empty tanks. And hopefully when we come back, our spot will not be taken.
Hopefully.
We did leave our bird feeder there and a mat with a note on it that says we are just gone to go empty tanks. We'll be right back with the date on it. So
Because we've only been here like 4 days.
that's right, 4 days. It's only going to be for tonight and tomorrow night.
That's true. We only need a couple more nights.
Yeah. So, and considering some people have been here for a while.
We think those people got here long before Thanksgiving in that Class A over there.
Well, yeah, because when Becky and Myron got here, those people were already here.
Yeah.
So.
And they're here like every year we've been here. They've been parked in the same place.
Yep.
They never leave, it seems like.
Nope.
They've got a bladder. I saw him in the back of his truck the other day. They got a water bladder and a Blue Boy. So they just leave the Class A parked.
Yeah, that's pretty handy to have. We were just thinking that because we're coming right back to this spot. It's one thing when you're going to empty tanks and get water and stuff when you're heading somewhere else. But when you're doing it to come right back to the same spot, it would be kind of nice not to have to pack everything up, you know, and just be able to stay where you are.
Invest in yourself.
Yeah, perhaps. We just have to figure out where we're going to take the poop bucket, the poop trolley. I guess we could attach it to the ladder, huh? We've seen that before.
Yeah.
poop trolley. Right? It's a poop trolley. You trolley your poop. Oh, I need to see if there's cars coming. You're good to go.
Okay.
Not that way though.
Guess I'll wait. What are we looking at?
Oh man, why did he be before us? Now we gotta walk in all that crap.
His poop holes has huge holes in it.
Oh man. Well, we're here to get water. We are fourth in line. So it is a Friday afternoon. So there's lots of people here to get water, and we're the biggest, so it's good that we are not in front of all these people because it takes a while. Of course, we're not filling up the tank all the way because we're just going to need it for a day and a half, and then we're heading to Quartzsite where we will fill up with water there instead of dragging it with us. So I think we're just going to have a little snack while we're waiting. I didn't bring lunch. So Tom's talking to the guy in the ambulance. And we've got a little trailer and a travel trailer. There's other people here, but not waiting in line for water. So once again, this is the rest area that's in Winter Haven, near the Imperial Dunes. Choo-choo train! First one we've had to stop for.
As we leave. A little late blowing his tooter.
Yeah.
I've been working on the railroad all the live long day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Don't you hear the whistle blowing? My grandpa used to sing me that song because he worked for Missouri Pacific Railroad. Missouri Pacific Railroad.
Yep. We're leaving Ogilvy Road today, heading to Quartzsite. Gonna be there.
And right after we went into that, it went into someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, strumming on the old banjo.
Fee-fi, fiddly-I-O.
Fee-fi, fiddly-I-O. Fee-fi, fiddly-I-O. Strumming on the old banjo.
And it is Music Hour with Tom and Lori RV Live. Y'all come back now, you hear?
This has been a Filmway presentation, darling.
No. Oy, oy, oy. have arrived.
We have arrived.
We are gonna go over to Tumbleweed RV Park and get some water.
Onto Keene Street.
Kewen. Boy, this Google lady, she doesn't know her roads, that's for sure. This is Rice Ranch area.
Continue on Keene Street for half a mile.